everyone! Good morning, good morning! So this is me again, Maricel Atag. So for today's video, sasagutin ko po yung isa sa nagtanong sa akin dito sa YouTube about our product. Of course, ito pa rin ang ating produkto, ang 24 Alkaline C. So sabi niya, Ma'am, pwede po ba ang 24 Alkaline C sa may acid reflux or hyperacidity? Ang sagot po is yes na yes. So in fact, ang ating produkto na 24 Alkaline C ay nakakatulong po para maibsan or mawala po ang inyong iniindang hyperacidity or acid reflux. So, para mas maging effective po ang ating 24 Alkaline C, I really recommend na i-take nyo po ito religiously or inumin nyo po ito religiously according sa recommendation na binigay po sa inyo ng mga nakausap nyong distributor. So in my case, lahat ng mga nakakausap ko na may acid reflux, na may acid reflux, sinasabi ko talaga sa kanila na mag-start sila ng 2 to 3 capsules 3 times a day, then after meal for first week. After meal for first week. So after 1 week or after a week, mag-change na po sila ng before meal. Same dosage, but before meal na siya. So to be exact, kung may acid reflux ka within first week, within a week, dapat inumin nyo po ang 24 Alkaline C after meal. 1 hour after meal. 2 to 3 capsules 3 times a day, 1 hour after meal. So after that, same dosage po, pero 30 minutes before meal na po. Yan ang nire-recommend ko talaga para mas maging effective po ang 24 Alkaline C sa mga taong may acid reflux or may hyperacidity. So, kung may natutunan po kayo or may nakuha po kayo dito sa video na to, please like and share my video. And if you want to order our product na 24 Alkaline C, just PM me, Maricel Atag, sa messenger ko po at sasagutin ko po kayo anytime. So, that's it. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless everyone!